Hello dear viewers, I'm RASHED. Today I will teach how to write Japanese kana letters. This is part 1. So let's see the 5 letters of Japanese kana letters. The first letter is A. So dear viewers, now let's see how to write this letter. So first of all, you draw a one vertical line, then you draw a one horizontal line, then you draw a one circle on this line. This is our A letter. So dear viewers, now learn a one vocabulary in this letter. Ashi. Ashi means leg. Ashi means leg. So dear viewers, our next letter is E. So now let's see how to write this letter. Dear viewers, see how to write this letter. I think you will practice with me, then you will write this letter easily. Now see a one vocabulary in this letter. Kai. Kai means snail. Kai means snail. So dear viewers, now let's see our next letter. This letter is U. So dear viewers, now let's see how to write this letter. So first of all, you draw a one line, then you draw a one opposite U. Now let's see one vocabulary in this letter. Ushi. Ushi means cow. Ushi means cow. So dear viewers and my students, now see the next letter is A. So dear viewers, now let's see how to write this letter. This is very easy letter. You will try with me. Let's see this letter. I draw, so you will draw, follow me. So now let's see our one vocabulary about this letter. Eki. Eki means stations. Eki means station. So dear viewers, now let's see the next letter is O. So how to write this letter? Let's see. Dear viewers, now let's see how to write this letter. You will practice with me. So dear viewers, now let's win vocabulary with this letter. Okane. Okane means money. Okane means money. So dear viewers, thanks for watching my video. I will upload all kana word, letter, how to write and read very easily in my channel. So please subscribe my channel very soon. Thanks for watching everyone.